This video provides school staff with a brief overview of the new School Leavers program. During this video, we'll present a general overview of the goals of the School Leavers program, as well as the roles of the people involved. Then, we'll take a look at how this program complements the work already being done in schools. Finally, we'll wrap up with a few important points and updates about documentation of school leavers in Tynet. The School Leavers program was developed in response to the findings of the Human Rights Review and Remedy for the findings of systemic discrimination against Nova Scotians with disabilities, also known as the Remedy. This new approach will help to more effectively and intentionally strengthen the bridge between the public education system and the programming and services offered through the Disability Support Program, or DSP. Local Area Coordinators, or LACs, are a new role offered by the Disability Support Program. The purpose of the LAC role is to enhance community integration and capacity by working alongside people with disabilities to build inclusive, supportive environments. An LAC can work with the student planning team, making connections with local programs, community resources, and opportunities that meet the student's interest and transition goals. Supporting the School Leavers program is primarily about collaboration. Schools can include the LAC and SPT meetings as requested by the student and families. Schools can also collaborate with families and LACs to identify the student's transition goals, reflected in both the student's school-to-community transition plan, which has recently been updated on Tynet, and the LAC's transition plan. It is also the school's responsibility as part of the student planning process to designate the person who will be responsible for carrying out various actions necessary to successfully support the student's transition goals. Student involvement in School Leavers program does not replace the creation of a transition plan in Tynet. However, the transition areas in the School Leavers Transition Plan workbook are the same as those in Tynet. This provides schools and LACs the opportunity to co-create transition goals. School teams can use the non-lookup option to add the LAC to action items in the transition plan. Increasing connections and opportunities through this enhanced community resource mapping may benefit school-based transition planning. The goals developed to support the school leaver transition plan will be beneficial in building capacity of school staff to support planning for all students. Well-developed transition goals will connect to and support the development of IPP outcomes. School leaver participants will have a service data entry in Tynet. The service status will sit at Receiving Service, Parent or Guardian, Advised or Consented. Teachers do not need to change the service status at this time. The school leaver Yes/No question in the supporting information of the transition plan is auto-populated based on the school leaver program service data entry. School to community transition planning focuses on utilizing a student's strengths, challenges, interests, and aspirations to explore meaningful pathways toward increasing independence and success in the community. Like any other service provider, schools will follow the same process for privacy considerations. A consent to share from parents in writing is required to share confidential information with the LAC. For more information about the School Leavers program, including frequently asked questions, go to www.ednet.ns.ca/school-leavers or scan the QR code on the screen.